everyone, this is Save Create the Heart, and I'm back with a card making video. So this video is actually a little bit late. I was supposed to post this earlier today for the Fantabulous Cricut Challenge blog. So it's fantabulouscricut.blogspot.com to join the challenge. It's a bi-weekly challenge with donated prizes, and you just have to use your Cricut. You have to use the images that belong to Cricut. You can't do your own SVG to qualify. So that's the only thing, because it's a Cricut blog. So we want to make sure that you're using your Cricut. So the theme this week is fall. So I'm using the Cedar Lane, which I had gotten from Tuesday Morning. And it is a American Crafts product. I'm also using this Forest Friends stamp set. This is a reverse confetti stamp set that was from last year's Stamptember that I never even used, not one single time. So I thought I would pull it out for this card. So for my card, it's an A2 size card. And I'm just using this acorn paper that's from the Cedar Lane paper pad. And I'm just going to put this on here. So this is a 5.5 by 4 1/4 white card base, along with this mat, which is the same size. And then I've got this piece, which is about 3 inches, and then 3 inches by 4 1/4. And then I used my scallop punch and I stamped the Hey Foxy, which is from the stamp set, on the bottom. Now, what's nice about using the Cricut or any of your electronic die cutting machines is that you have the power of controlling the size, so you can make it as big or as small as you want. So I am using this kind of large acorn, and I'm not sure exactly where this is from. I think it's from the Autumn cartridge, and I've seen a lot of acorns running around, so that would be fun to do a simple card here. And so when you cut it, you get all the pieces and all the layers, and you just figure it out. I mean, from there, so how you want it, how big you want it to be, and then it sizes everything for you. And then I've got this little fox, which I colored my Copics, and I'm going to put the fox right here, kind of like sitting on this acorn. And I've just got some little accompanying pieces to it. And then the card will be done. And here we go. Do I get them all? I think I got them all. Okay, so it's going to go, just stick it right here. It's just on the foam squares. And then I've got, and I did some stickles because I love stickles. And then I've just got some little clouds that I've put stickles on just to give it a little bit of shine. And then I've got, these are all from the Forest Friends stamp set. So you only need to do one image from the Cricut. So these are colored in with my Copics. These are just little pieces. And then I've got some of these little pieces of enamel dots. Just kind of putting the enamel dots here and there. And I'll do one more here in the corner. Okay. So what I'll probably do is just trim this edge right here. I'm still working on the paper that I had gotten cut from Office Depot. So some of it's just a tiny bit off. I just bought the big ream of Nina Solar White cardstock, and I took it to, this is like 3 or 4 years ago. And I took it to Office Depot, and then they cut all the paper for me but some of the paper is a little bit off, so I just usually trim that. But here's the card right here. So make sure you check out Fantabulous Cricut, join the challenge, maybe win a prize. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating with a Heart.